Hello, Chefies! Another day, another gala. This time, we're going to Marikina. So, Chefies saw a video na may Japanese eat all you can. So, we're here at Jenny's Ramen House. Yan, so let's go inside. Maliit lang siya. Second floor of a commercial building. Ayan, hi Chefy. It's small but it's cozy. Malamig yung aircon. Later on, malalaman namin mali pala yung pwesto namin doon. Ayan, so that's the dining area. May church sa harap. Hindi namin alam ano name ng church. Pero I think we were in Marikina Bayan. Yan, so yun yung unlimited Japanese keme. So, eat all you can ramen, eat all you can sushi except yung salmon something. And then you can also choose from the bento box and the donburi. Yan. Plus 100 para mag all you can eat tempura. Yan, so isa kaming order ni Chefy ng tonkatsu. Half rice lang. So you have an option kung half rice or whole rice. So half rice lang. And then, that's a tantan men ramen. Yata yun. I also got chicken teriyaki. Dalawa yung maki. The classic California maki and akani cheese something. Yung cheese niya has cream cheese. Yun, what's nice about this place, pinag-usapan nga namin ni Chefy na I wouldn't say it's authentic Japanese, but their ingredients are quality. I wouldn't say authentic. Siguro authentic na rin. Basta quality. And hindi sila nagtitipid. Like, di ba yung ibang California maki, yung isang kanis, hahatiin sa 4, tas 1/4, masabi lang na meron. With them, hindi. It's the whole kani. Syempre, a little less yung mango kasi hindi na season. But it's still fine. Okay pa din lasa. Their Japanese mayo is legit Japanese mayo. Hindi ito hinaluan ng cheap mayo na nabibili na tub, ganyan. Hindi. Now, I'm not a ramen person, so I tried this. I can't remember the name, pero nag-enjoy ako. For a person who doesn't enjoy ramen, this is good. The sauce of their tonkatsu is also good. Yan, look at the shrimp. Yung shrimp nila, hindi ito yung pinipit ng pipit, and then makapal yung breading. Nope, it's not. Lahat manipis, good quality shrimp, alam mong sariwa, malutong. Problem rin ng konti, I think their tempura batter has cornstarch. Kasi nung lumamig na siya, it had that sort of gummy pull dun sa texture nung tempura batter. Pero if you eat it hot, yung bagong lapag lang sa table, yun, okay siya. Rice, we were not sure kung Japanese rice ba siya or denorado. Ako tingin ko it's Japanese rice but not the high-end type of Japanese rice. Pero sabi naman ni Chefy, feeling niya parang denorado. Either way, it's still good rice. Hindi siya cheap rice. Yeah, noodles of the ramen was perfectly cooked. Sa teriyaki, masarap yung teriyaki niya, pero dahil half rice, parang nag-swimming na siya dun sa sauce, so it was a bit overwhelming. So yung rice na nababad na sa sauce, hindi ko na kinain. And I didn't notice din kung may time na parang, diba may ibang eat all you can na kailangan in 2 hours, ganyan. I didn't see any time limit here. Pero as long as you're enjoying naman the food, okay lang eh. Yan, so ito ay combined na may chicken teriyaki with my leftover tonkatsu, tapos 2 pieces na lang yung, o 3 pa yung tempura ko. Parang nalugi ako dun sa tempura in the sense for the ad 100, pero okay lang din kasi I ordered so many food for 699 kasi 599 plus the 100. Pag pinresyohan ko yung food that I ordered a la carte, I'm at over 1,300 pesos, but I only paid 699, so it's not bad. So if you guys are in Marikina, specifically Marikina Bayan, go and try Jenny's Ramen House. This is not a paid ad or anything. Yan, that's their beef gyudon. Yan lang yung parang pinaka sort of failed in a way. Pero pwede na. So after every time we eat out, kailangan meron kaming walking. So we decided to go to Pinto Art Museum. This is my second time here. Unang kasama ko sila mommy and my sister and my aunt. Yan, so we paid 300 pesos per head. Yan. Never ako nagpa-picture dyan kasi parati may tao na kainis. Now that's the chapel. If you will see, parang gusto ko pumasok na hindi. I wanna go past it pero hindi ko matiis. Bumalik ako. Yan. Kunwari pa ako tingin-tingin pero talagang gusto ko pumasok doon sa chapel. O tara, pasok tayo. Takot kasi ako. Yan, if you will see, maaliwalas naman. It's bright, ganyan. Pero it gives me yung Bram Stoker's Dracula ni Keanu Reeves. Yung sa first part, yung chapel kung saan dinatnan ni Dracula yung I forgot her name, Winona Ryder na wala nang buhay. Yon. It gives me that vibe. Yan. Very creepy. Tapos yung music pa na nagpe-play dyan, parang Latin na Gregorian chant na ewan. Yan, and then, ang lakas ng hangin. The noise that you hear in the background would be yung trees. Yung mga millions of dahon sa nakakaskasan sa lakas ng hangin dyan sa lugar na yan. Yan, matapang na ako dyan kasi si Sheffy nasa likod ko lang. So, Pinto Art Museum is privately owned by an individual. I'm sure you can find this in YouTube. So, yung partner niya is an architect. Yun yung gumagawa ng mga structures and ganyan. And then, they have, I think, 7 galleries. There are a few, or I think all, I'm not sure. I might be wrong. Please do check. Artworks that are for sale. So, aside from the entrance fee, there are artworks for sale. And I believe this place also accepts functions, weddings, celebrations. There are 2 restaurants, I think. So bandang end, we went to the Cafe Dionysus, yata yung pag-pronounce nun. Then there's also another cafe somewhere in the middle. Yan, natutuwa ako dyan. Parang the girl's a prisoner trying to get out something but also appreciating her situation, kinda depends on your interpretation. That's the house of the owner. So may kordon tapos private yan. But I'm not sure if the owner still lives there. Pero may nakita akong help sa loob. So siguro taga-maintain lang ng bahay. Yan. So, this is in the side na. Meron ditong peacock enclosure. Tapos, may mga peacock chicks. Yung matawag doon. Peacock chicks. Madami. So, nakakatuwa lang na nag-breed pala dyan. Yan sila. Yan, gulat lang ako dyan papasok ko sa gallery. I didn't know na there was a tattoo artist pala. Nagulat ako. Nagdadaldalan pa kami about Jenny's Ramen House. Tapos biglang boom, ayan, may tao. So, around the property, may mga ponds. Yan o. Yan, medyo malaki. And then, may mga water installations din. May nakita pa ako siya, may aquarium na parang may mga guppies. So, you can expect mosquitoes, maybe, other bugs, ganun. So, if you're sensitive to those, I would suggest na to apply insect repellent before visiting. Ayan o. So, may stagnant water. I would like to come back and visit Pinto Art again. Pero yung hindi nagmamadali. Yung tipong, if I could spend the whole day, punta ka morning, tsaka na mag-breakfast, muni-muni, and then dyan ka rin magla-lunch, and then muni-muni again. Tapos dyan ka mag-merienda, then muni-muni. And then maybe early dinner before leaving. I don't even know what time they close. Pero yeah, ang ganda lang. Yan, I'm approaching my favorite part of Pinto. Yun yung parang, it's like in the middle na. And then, merong three or four platforms, if you would call it. Parang ang ganda lang na may event doon. Like a debut or wedding, ganyan. Na parang, it's only 3 to 4 steps. Mababaw na steps separating level. Kaya lang, ngayon, dun sa lowest part, may plastic bottle installation. Yeah, later. Papakita namin later. So, we thought, like, uy, ang laking pusit or octopus, ganyan. So, we weren't sure what it was. Then, Chefy saw na merong label na parang it's a balete tree pala. So, hindi ko rin alam. Yan o. Yan o. Can you see it? There o. Yan. It's a very, very big installation. So, balete tree pala yan. So, when I went up, kala ko, okay, plastic, ganyan, ang galing, ganon, recycle, ganyan. I didn't know meron palang something sa loob. Yan. So, hindi ko pa siya nakikita dyan. So, that's the lowest level of... Yan. That's my... Yan ang favorite spot ko. Itong lugar na to. Yan. And you can have 4 tables of 8 per level. Ayan siya. Ayan, no? Doon ako nagulat. Yan. May parang, I think, bronze or copper ba siya na parang harpy. I saw her na before. And it was in 2022 when I was last there. Yan, yung harpy na yan. Nakita ko na siya before. Yan mo. Oh, diba? Ganda. If only Pinto Art was in QC. Yan o. 4 tables of 8 kada level. So, 8 times how many tables? 4, 8, 12 tables. 100 packs. Ayan, this is another favorite spot of mine. Ayan, pagpasok mo sa parang gate. Ayan, yung parang pinaka-mansion. Kaya lang scary. Kasi opposite niya, meron siyang parang bulwagan. What do you call it? Coliseum. May parang mini Coliseum. Yan o. We go up the stairs. Ganda. Parang it gives you Mexico na yan o. Going up the stairs na. And then ayan o. Yung parang Coliseum Opera. Ano bang tawag doon? Theater. Like a theater. Na may 3 installation na parang hindi ako takot dito. Parang, hindi naman sila parang mumu. Parang, it gives me Oracle vibes. Ayan o. And then, may daan siya from the Coliseum. To the restaurant. Yan, si Cafe Dionysus. Lipid dyan. Karding! Yung mga halaman, nadiligan na ba? Diyos. Yan. So, we just went here. We were full to the throat after Jenny's Ramen House. And then, hindi kami nag-cook kasi hindi sa amin bubusog kami. So, hindi ko natiis when we got here to Pinto. Kasi kailangan ko mag-soft drinks para masarap ang burp. Yan. So, after having our Coke, nasa baba ito. This is like their theater. So, may TV doon sa gitna ng stage and then may ina-announce. Hindi ina-announce, may pinapalabas. Yan. So, yan yung baba ng Oracle. Yan. Kinukunan ni Chefy yung cacti. Yan. So, meron siyang wishing well. Ayan o. You can see it sa dulo. Merong wishing well. Kaya lang, syonga-syonga, masyado nagmamadali. Nabato na namin yung coins, hindi pa pala na-play yung, hindi pa pala na-press yung record. Yan, so nag-wish kami dyan. Ni-wish namin, world peace. My gosh, we need world peace. Welcome to our dining hall. Dining hall. Ganda. The last time I was here in 2022, iba yung ayos niyan. These copper ferries were different. Yan. So, Babay Pinto, thank you for having us. We're moving to another location for Champurrado. Welcome to Bistro LeBlanc. Yan. So, I saw this unique take of Champurrado from the Bex Battalion. Kumain sila dito a few months ago. Yan. That's, alam mo, mura yan na. That's 249 pesos for the Champurrado. It's good for two. And then, you have a bowl of danggit. And then, the danggit is refillable. Isang refill lang per still. So, at 249. Then, this is ano ba to? Sisig fries. Masarap yung sisig fries. I love it. Hindi tinipid. 349. Legit mozzarella cheese. Good sisig. It just needs a little more char. Pero overall, ang sarap. So, thank you for joining us. See you in our next video. Bye!